Hi, I'm Jennifer Byram, and I'm going to talk to you about a new Web 2.0 tool known as Soo Meta. If you are thinking about flipping your classroom and you want to present the material to include videos, video demonstrations, text, audio, and images, and as well as anything else on the internet that you may have found, and also things that you may have created on your desktop, then Soo Meta is something you may want to consider using. What it does is it compiles all of the media you have found on the internet as well as on your desktop, and they put it together into one digital storytelling video. The students go home, they watch the video. It shouldn't be more than 15 minutes long. They take notes, write questions they may have. They come to school. The teacher and the class discuss what they watched at home, and then they begin doing projects or assignments to reinforce their understanding of the new topic. So that's what we call flipping a classroom. So we're going to go look at what Soo Meta can do, and before we begin to actually play with it, I will show you some of the tools that are part of Soo Meta and how to work them. So let's go ahead and begin. And this is the main page. I click on Try Now, it's free. You have some options. You can either create an account, log in with Facebook, or log in with Google. I log in with Google, so let's click there. You have Teach, Learn, Activity tabs, and this is where your lessons will be. But let's create a new lesson. You enter a great title. I'm going to type in Rube Goldberg and Simple Machines. You have to know simple machines before you can understand Rube Goldberg. This is the title. This is also the cover page. And this is the main design page. It's like a book. You have your cover page, which looks like this since I typed that. It's very plain. I will add a cover to it, a picture or an image. And then you have your clip. This is the first clip. Clips are like the chapters in the book. And in the chapters, you can have a video, which would go here, image right here, text, you can type in here, and then audio. Down here is the timeline. This is the playhead. As you make clips and videos, it will move forward to let you see how far you're going. If you put in a video and you don't want to use the whole thing, then you can trim it. You would hit this button right here where you would play the video. And as it plays, and let's say you want to stop in the middle, you could just use this trimming device to cut it to where you want it. If you don't want an image, you just click image and it takes it off. If you change your mind, click it back on, it comes back on. Search for media. This is where you're going to actually put, like I'm going to type Simple Machines in eventually, and it will come up and it will show you different videos, images, text, and audios that they pull from the internet. Once you're done with your first clip, then you can add another clip, and then you just keep adding till you've gotten the lesson the way you want it. Up here is the File tab, and these are the things that you can do. Edit, this is where you can also insert clips or quizzes and polls, and you can upload images, audios, or videos from your computer that you may have created earlier. Get Collect button. This is a handy tool. You click on that. It's called a Meta button. You just drag it up to the toolbar, and here's mine. And anytime you see something that you really like, that you think, oh, I could use this later, just click Meta button up here, and it will save it to your library. And then the help. The help is really good. You have frequently asked questions. You even have step-by-step instructions where it will go from one step to the other to tell you what to do. Okay? And we don't need that anymore. So let's go ahead and then this is your saved button. Let's go to the search for media. I'm going to type in Simple Machines. And I already know what I'm looking for, so I'm going to type in MIT because that's one of the animations and it shows up the very first one. Notice that on this, where it automatically pops open the video, but then you can also click image, text, or audio. But for right now, here's your choices. You could actually click on this and watch the video to decide whether or not you want to add it. And if you want to add it, you can either insert it now onto that actual main page or just collect it into your library, which of course I would rather collect everything into my library and then just pick and choose where I want to put it. And I'll just pick another one just to have something. It doesn't matter. Let me see. Let's look at images. Oh, I know what I did. Okay, because I wrote MIT. Let me move that off and then hit enter. Now, I happen to like this one, so I'm going to put that in there. So I collected that one, and I'll just pick another one just for fun. This one's kind of colorful. Okay, now let's go up here and choose Rube Goldberg. And it will already come up with some ideas. So I'm going to choose Rube Goldberg Machine Ideas and hit enter. I'm going to go back up to video because I already know what's going to happen here. And let me see. I'll go ahead and pick him. I'm just random, just so you understand. Now let's just say I'm done, and I'm just going to hit close. Notice I have my library here. All right. If I wanted to add let's just say an image from my desktop. So I'll pick this one and I hit open. What it's going to automatically do is it's going to put it on this page as it loads it, and it will see it. I don't want it here, so I'm just going to remove image, and I'm going to say delete. If you go to the cover page, it's automatically going to put it on here. And I'm just going to leave it for right now. Now, when you're ready to start doing things, you can just kind of drag things in there. All right? You could type text or leave it out. You know? And there you go. And notice how the playhead kind of changes. You can split the clip and add extra things to it. But I'm just going to play this one real quick. Right here, play and stop current clip, just to give you an idea of how to use the trimmer. And then that's pretty much it.
My finished 8th grade science project, Rube Goldberg Machine.
And that's all you do. So now it's only going to play a small portion. When you're done, save. If you want to add we'll go to the new clip, and I'll add a poll to it. Okay, I'm sorry. A poll is its own clip. Okay, so if you wanted it to be a quiz question, then you would ask a quiz question. If you wanted it to just to be a poll, like, did you like the video? You know, you could put, do you like the video? Then yes, no, maybe, that kind of thing. But that's entirely up to you. I personally will not use it for this particular lesson, so I would just delete it. Okay, so we could just go ahead and add another one right here. I could add text. I could do a voiceover, but I just wanted to show you real quick how this is done. Now I'm going to hit save. If you hit preview, save and preview, and then I'm going to go to lessons. When you want to share a lesson, you just go like this one right here. You would just go to the word share, and then you would choose one of these. I usually would use an embed code, copy it, hit done, and then paste it onto whichever you want to put it on, whether it's a wiki space or a blog or Facebook or Edmodo or even Moodle or any Blackboard. And that's pretty much it. Just play with Soo Meta. It's easy to delete a page and to recreate something else after a little practice. You will be able to use this web-based tool like a pro. Go on. Have some fun with it. Thank you for watching.